Hello and welcome to Benefit News Network. I am Divya Singh and today we are breaking down the Supreme Court's recent ruling on Aligarh Muslim University's minority status, a significant legal decision with far-reaching implications for education and minority rights in India. Can Aligarh Muslim University or AMU claim the minority status under Article 30 of the Constitution? On November 8th, in a narrow 4-3 ruling, the Supreme Court overruled previous decision setting up new criteria for determining whether an institution can be considered as a minority institution. This legal battle dates back over 50 years. In 1967, the Supreme Court had ruled that the AMU was not established by the Muslim community but rather by an act of the Parliament, effectively denying it minority status. Then in 1981, the government amended the AMU's Founding Act, asserting that AMU was indeed founded to promote the education advancements of Muslims. When AMU introduced the 50% reservation for the Muslim students in 2005, the Allahabad High Court struck down both the reservation orders and the 1981 amendment, arguing that the AMU was not a minority institution. This decision was immediately challenged, leading to a long-standing legal standoff. So what does this mean? Under Article 30, the minority institutions have special rights to establish and administer educational facilities. And with its latest ruling, the Supreme Court has put forth new standards to assess an institution's minority status. One key aspect of this debate is what minority status allows. For instance, under Article 15 Clause 5, minority status are not required to reserve seats for SCs and STs. AMU, however, has held on to existing reservations until the Supreme Court makes a final decision. The centre argued that if AMU gains minority status, it could prioritize Muslim admissions while not reserving seats for SCs and STs. The government also raised concerns about AMU's secular legacy and its national role. The debate even referenced other minority institutions like Delhi's St. Stephen's College, which reserved seats for Christian students. The centre argued that unlike AMU, the St. Stephen's College was entirely independent of government support. However, AMU's supporter countered that government funding does not necessarily remove an institution's minority status. In fact, advocates for AMU have noted that even government-funded institutions like St. Stephen's and Kolkata's Aligarh University have maintained their minority status. As of now, the debate over the AMU's minority status remains unresolved, with a separate bench of Supreme Court set to take up the case. This decision could reshape the policies for minority institutions across India. Thank you for tuning in. Stay with Benefit News Network for more updates on this case and other national stories.